Hey, what's up everybody? This is Rob with Fruit of Labor Landscaping, and we just did a whole thing, a whole What Is It Wednesday on American Burnweed. And when I revealed it, actually today, as far as when I'm recording this, I did mention just how many beneficial insects and just how much wildlife in general this thing attracts. And I'm out here just kind of watering all the plants because it's been a little dry. And I'm just gonna, show you guys just how much diversity this plant brings in. I mean, it's just kind of absolutely nuts. And I know some of it's not going to be just like super clear, but I mean, I don't know of many other plants that I've encountered recently. That guy's looking for a snack. That I could find this many different insects. I mean, there was a wasp there earlier. I don't think I actually got him on video. I saw a metallic sweat bee on this plant earlier as well. And I think many of you are probably seeing this. As soon as you see those leaves and you're like, I don't know what that is, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it. Many gardeners out there are probably tossing this plant pretty much right away. And I don't blame you. It's not the most sightly thing. You know, you're not really getting any flowers out of it. Pretty much looking at that, and then it just goes to that. I recommend you let this plant be. You know, this is only the start of this particular ecosystem. Oh, I see love bugs for the first time this year. They've made their way over to our burnweeds. You see that lady beetle just get GTFO? I don't know what that was about. He's still booking it down the main stem. But anyway, I haven't showed some of the undersides of leaves. Maybe we have some critters hanging out there. I don't see a whole lot. But I think you guys get the gist now. Just kind of incredible to have one plant that's bringing so much diversity to the garden. And that's really what you want. I mean, bringing diversity to the garden is just the best pest control that you could ever have. Granted, you're going to inevitably attract some things that want things that you want to grow, especially this time of year when pests really decide to show up. Like we had a stink bug there earlier, the leaf-footed bugs, the aphids, the mealy bugs, all the different worms like the pickle worms and army worms and all those things. But if you're bringing in everything, you're also bringing in all those predators, and that's going to help you have free pest control if you're willing to be patient enough. And I'll go ahead and stop this video here, guys. I just it was fresh on my mind, fresh plant, kind of new as far in the serene forest, as far as like letting it actually get to maturity. And I think I'm just gonna let this guy come around. You know, obviously I'm gonna pull some volunteers where I don't want it, but otherwise you're welcome here. All right, later.